Hello students, in this lecture we will discuss another type of inheritance, that is multi-level inheritance. As it is clear from the name, it is having multiple levels. So in this program we will use these classes. First class is student, then another is test, and the last class is result, where test class is inheriting features from student and result class is inheriting features from test. Then automatically the features of student class will also emerge in the result class. Student class is containing data member as roll number. Test contains data member subject 1, subject 2, and result will compute and display the total of these subjects and also display the roll number of the student. Okay. So the members of student class and test class will be inherited by the result class through these levels, and we will use member functions in the public section in order to access the data, where data members are declared as protected. As we have already studied various visibility modes and how various access specifiers can be inherited using inheritance. If you are not aware of that, then you can access that lecture for better understanding how various visibility modes and access specifiers like protected, public are inherited in inheritance. Protected members, public members can be inherited, but private members can never be inherited in any of the mode in inheritance. So it is better practice to use protected mode in order to derive the data members of a class. So let's start understanding the program. First of all, we have created a class student and it is having a data member roll number in the protected section. In the public section, we have created two data members, input and output, which will take input of roll number and display the output of roll number. Thereafter, we have created another class test, which is inheriting student class, which we have already created above in public visibility mode, and this class is having its two data members in protected section, subject 1 and subject 2. They are basically marks of these two subjects. In public section, we have created two member functions, getMarks and putMarks, where getMarks will take input of subject 1 and subject 2, and putMarks will display their result or their values, and then we will close this class. So we have achieved one level up to here, and in another level we have created third class result, which is inheriting test class, which we have just declared above, and we have declared a data member total. It is in private section. Since this is the last class, so its data member can be accessed using its member function display, and it is having only one member function in the public section display, which will compute the result of subject 1 and subject 2, add them and display the total. So we can say that this result class contains roll number, subject 1, subject 2 and total. All these are data members. Whereas, what are the member functions of this class? Get roll number, you can see from here, input output for roll number, getMarks putMarks for subjects. So input function, output function, getMarks, putMarks and its own display function. So this result class contains all these member functions and all these data members. These two are from the student class, these two are from the test class, and this one is from the result class itself. Fine. But now result class contains all these data members because they are declared either in protected section or public section of above classes. And now in the main section, in the main function, we'll create object of this result class are, first of all, as we have already studied so many times, first of all we create input functions of all the classes. R.input. So it will take the input of roll number from the user. You can see from here, it will take input from the user by using this. Enter roll number, then roll number will be fetched from the user. Thereafter, next function is called r.getMarks. Oh, this function, the control will jump to the getMarks function and it will take input of two subjects, sub1 and sub2. Enter marks sub1, sub2. So it will take input of 2 marks. Thereafter, call output functions because now we have taken roll number and marks. Now we will display the results. R.output. So it will display the roll number of the student. Output roll number. This one. After that, next function will be called r.putMarks. That means this one, where subject 1 and subject 2 marks will be displayed. And in the end, r.display function will be called, means this one. It will add marks of subject 1 and subject 2. Let's suppose if user has entered 20 and 30, then total marks will be computed 50 and the result will be displayed in total. Okay. So let's see the output of this program. You can see here it is asking for the roll number. So we'll enter roll number here. Let's suppose 112. Then it is asking for marks. If I enter 50 and 60, then their sum should be 110, should be displayed. So we can see here from the output, roll number is 112, subject 50, subject 2, subject 1 50, subject 2 60, and the total marks is 110. So we can achieve such kind of methodology using multi-level inheritance. If you have any doubt or problem, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.